Did you know hiccups are pretty much pointless? They're not like sneezes, which help expel bad stuff from your nose, or burps that help you release air from your stomach. As far as we know, hiccups don't do anything helpful. They're just a result of your diaphragm basically spazzing out, which can be caused by eating too fast or too much, or drinking carbonated drinks. So really, there's nothing wrong with trying to get rid of hiccups. So here's how neuroscientist Andrew Huberman suggests you do this. Inhale through your nose all the way 3 times in a row without exhaling in between. Hold your breath for 15 to 30 seconds, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. And if you have a friend that's always annoying you with their hiccups, send them this video.